Harish Tech 2.0, and today I'm shooting the video in the morning. So always I'll be shooting in the evening only, but today I'm shooting in the morning. Okay, so fresh video, fresh morning and fresh Sunday. So today I got a parcel, early morning I got a parcel, and not a tech parcel, not like Amazon parcel, but it's a courier from WhiteHat Junior. Okay, so my courses is ended, so 48 classes courses is finished. So I got this certificate, Android developer. I think we'll unbox and see what I got. I just don't know. So come on, and this is the episode 3 of what is the inside the parcel of WhiteHat Junior. Okay, come on, let's unbox and we'll see the parcel. Okay, so come on, let's go. Okay, the parcel is here, so we'll just start unboxing. So, how is the voice quality? Say me. Okay, so today's Sunday. Okay, that's it. Just came like this only, guys. And it's bubble wrapped, guys. So okay, not Android developer certificate, your journal. So Code Master, my journal is there. And nothing else. Okay, so bubble wrapped my journal. So they are given like a book. Let's unbox it and let's see. Okay. Hello Harish, my name is here. Hi, about me. What would you name your autobiography? What cheers up? What are your interests? Okay, so check here. What is your favorite activity and why? If you had to create 3 apps, which one would you create? What's the bravest thing you have ever done? Okay, they are my cards. FunFest cards, guys. So these are my FunFest cards which I have did, and this I didn't upload my photo only, guys. But so see here, these are my FunFest cards which I have done. So this one is with DSLR. Okay, so how is this? Tell me. Okay, so this is DSLR. This I took in my 2nd standard pic. Okay, so okay. Certificates and badges. I can create math also I did trial class, and I did badges. See guys, my badges. So nice, right? So superpower, and here, so okay. And about the WhiteHat Junior, our singular mission to take a kids creator of technology versus in the passive consumers. To make children future ready, we have designed a property 144 class curriculum. It caters of different school grades and age groups to ensure an easy and a fun learning experience. Okay, so our curriculum projects and world stage events use coding as a base to help children, but build essential skills like logical thinking and creativity and apply them to create real world applications. Okay, nothing is in the last page, and the owner of the WhiteHat Junior, Karan Bajaj, founder and CEO of WhiteHat Junior. A big thank you for being an important part of WhiteHat Junior. I love seeing your enthusiastic participation in the FunFest 2021. Such passionate involvement from learners like you will keep inspired. Our creativity, energy, and the willingness to do new things will certainly place you among the innovators in the future. My best wishes for your learning journey. Remain curious and keep creating. Okay, that's the book. Nothing else, but with my photo, it's so nice. But this is a personal photo, so I'm not going to show this. So other photos I can show you. So this is my first photo which I uploaded. This is my family photo, so I'm not going to show it. So see ya. Third is here. Fourth is this. Okay, so two photos I uploaded same. This is near Vidhan Sauda, Bangalore. So take a look. Okay, this photos you can see. Okay, so these are my first selfie in portrait in my phone. Actually, my phone does not work with portrait, but I downloaded some apps. Then I took a portrait. So Google Photos was not able to install in my phone, but somehow I saw YouTube. YouTube helped me in any way, so I downloaded the app somehow and I did it. But this I didn't look at it only. So I gave a blank image on it. So this looks ugly. And there's my photo here. So this is I think took in some park. So this is DSLR. Okay. So okay. Then okay guys. So short video only. So certificates. I have my certificates. So and my badges. My badges are this one here. So yeah, till Mount Everest I went, guys. So nice it was. Wonderful journey to us in WhiteHat Junior. I miss now because my cadet class trial is over. Not trial, I've paid for it, but now my school has started, so I'm not going to get included there. Okay, no problem. Thank you. We shall meet in a new video. Until then, this is Harish signing off from Harish Tech 2.0. Bye 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 bye.